Hello, my name is Miss Angeles, and thank you for taking the time to watch my introduction. I'm a customer service professional with several years of experience supporting customers through email, chat, and social media. In my day to day work, I handle customer questions, resolve concerns, and make sure every interaction leaves the customer feeling supported and respected. I enjoy problem solving and I stay calm and empathetic, especially when the customers are frustrated and need clear guidance. What really excites me about this opportunity with Power Off is your focus on delivering reliable and high quality support for your clients. I see customer service not just as answering questions, but as being dependable over that customers can trust. And that's how exactly I show up at work every day. If I join your team, I'll contribute consistency, accountability, and a strong customer first mindset. I'm someone who follows processes, pays attention to details, and takes ownership with every ticket until it's fully resolved. I'm also comfortable working remotely and adaptable to new tools and collaborating with teammates to deliver excellent service. You should choose me because I truly care about the customer's experience and the company I represent. I am coachable, reliable, and always willing to learn so I can grow with the team. I don't just want a job. I want to be a long-term contributor who adds value and represents Power Off with professionalism and the heart. Thank you again for this opportunity, and I'd be honored to bring my skills and dedication to your team, and I look forward to the next step.